again. It's a red stick.
Welcome back to another video. So I've had this brand send me over a little package. Excuse my nails today, they are quite grown out. I'm ready to take these off. Yeah, this brand has sent me over these to do a little review on. And they are, so yeah, that's the brand, Shine Galore London. I'll leave website link in my description box. And it is a set of nail art pens. I think these are designed for people that are allergic to nail products. I think they are water based. They've got all different colour sets. I've got a blue set. I was going to get the pink set, but just Jo Nail Addict recently done a review on these, and she did the pinky red set. So if you want to see the pinky red set, go and watch Jo. A bit backwards. Jo's favourite colour is blue, mine is pink. She got pink, I got blue. But yeah, if you want to see the pinky purpley red set, then go and watch Jo's video she did on them. So yeah, I've got the blue set. So let's have a look at them. I love this packaging that they come in. Very posh. So they are 4mm. Can you see? Nail art pen, water based, easy paint. And they're just, the best way I could describe them is they're like marker pens. Yeah. So I'm going to get them out and I'm just going to give them a little swatch today. I think, obviously these are not designed for nail art, stuff like that. I think these are designed just for natural nails. People that are either allergic to nail products or people that just don't like putting all them chemicals and ingredients and stuff on their natural nails. I think these are literally just to give your natural nails a coat of colour. It's not going to flood your cuticles or anything. You can literally just put it where you want it. So yeah, I'm just going to give them a quick swatch, look at the colours and see how they paint on, because I am really, really curious. I have never ever tried anything like it. So it also comes with this. This is just your regular top coat, your regular old school nail lacquer top coat. Yeah, it just smells like regular nail varnish top coat. So I'm going to swatch them on natural sticks because yeah, they're designed for natural nails. So I'm going to swatch them on natural sticks. Now what like I said, I've never used anything like this before, but personally, me using them, I would clean off my natural nails with alcohol or something to get all the natural oils, dirt, grease, and to dehydrate them as much as you can. And then I would get a buffer and just buff off all that shiny surface on your natural nail. You don't want to put them straight on your natural nail because, yeah, it just won't go on and it won't stay. So just buff off all the shiny surface to your natural nail. And then give them another little clean. I'm just going to use some isopropyl alcohol and just clean off your nail like that after it's been buffed. So, shall we have a nosy at them? Right, so yeah, these are all been buffed nice and matte. But make sure, once you've buffed them, make sure you use a really smooth buffer so that they're still smooth. Because obviously these are not a liquid, so they're not going to sink into all the little scratches and stuff. So just a smooth buffer. I'm talking like I know what I'm doing. I haven't got a clue. So I'm just going to, going off the videos on the website, they kind of just swipe around the cuticle area and then they just kind of colour it in. I think I've buffed these a little bit too smooth. Like that. Aren't they weird? Really bizarre. I don't know how to get them lines out. I think they would apply differently on your natural nail. I've buffed these a bit smooth, I think. Right, let's leave that to dry and then I'm going to give it a second coat. It's quite a sheer one, that. So we'll leave that there And we'll give that one a second coat. I think we'll give them all a second coat because they are quite thin, aren't they? Really thin layers. So let's try this second one, last one. Second one. I can see a little bit of fuzz on that one. So again, I'm just going to swipe around what would be the cuticle area. And then just colour it in. How easy are they? They're crazy. They are crazy. That's the second one. A little bit darker, isn't it? So let's leave that one there. They just swipe, swipe, swipe over so easy. I don't know why I just said swipe, 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 swipe. Right, so let's try this one. Again, I'm just going to swipe over what would be... Oh, this is like a purple. And then again, just swipe the colour down. Oh, wow. These are cray-cray. These are crazy. I've never seen anything like them, ever. That looks really dark on camera, but it's actually a purple. Wonder if I could show you on my hand. It's actually a deep purple. So let's leave that to dry as well. Right, this one actually looks like a black. See, can you see these little bits of fuzz? Make sure you get them off. Yeah, this one looks like a black. So again, I'm going to swipe over and then just colour it in. Yeah, this is definitely a black. Wonder if you could use this black for nail art. Look at that. Look at that. That's a really cool one. That's really opaque. Yeah, I wonder if you could use this black one for like nail art. You know, like, it might not do it on the shiny top coat. You know, like kind of doing little... You could, because they're quite pinpointed. Yeah, this top coat's shiny, so it's not applying properly, but... Yeah, I think you could use this for nail art, couldn't you? I'm going to do another video anyway with these, and we'll do something with them, but yeah, I think you could use them for nail art, like outlining French tips and stuff. I don't know. We'll have to definitely give them a try. I've wrecked my nails now, haven't I? Yeah, we'll give them a try with something else. Right, let's swatch this last one. This looks like a brown. This one does. Look at me, I'm covered in it. I love playing with nude. Oh no, this is a deep, deep kind of grey, blue grey. It's like a grey with a tint of navy blue in it. Have you seen how these apply? Look at this. Wow, look at them. They look so much darker than what they are on camera. So that is them 5 swatches. Yeah, they look a lot darker on camera. How long do they take to dry? Oh, that's dry. That's dry. Right. Right, so let's do a second coat on this one. And I'll do all the others off camera. So I'm just going to swipe down it again. I can see this one being like a jelly colour on a natural nail. Right, I'm going to give all these 2 coats and I'll be back. Right guys, that is them all had 2 coats now, so I'm just going to get these top coated. I think that one's going to be like a jelly colour. I gave that black a second coat, but it really didn't need it. So let's give them a top coat. So yeah, this is just your regular top coat. Right guys, so that's them all after 2 coats and top coated with this. So these first 2 are quite light blues, and this is a purpley blue, but the camera's showing them a lot darker than what they actually are. Obviously that's the black, and this one is like, it's like a dark grey, but it's got a hint of blue in it as well. I love how they just swiped on. I don't know if that's how you're supposed to do it, but I enjoyed having a go with them. I've never tried anything like that before. Something different, quirky. But yeah, I'll leave the link below if you want to go and check them out. You can do. Check all the other colours out. Like I said, Just Your Nail Addict did a review recently on the pinky purple ones. They're so much nicer. Yeah, anyway guys, that is it for today. Something a little different. I forgot about the little box that they come in. Maybe they'd make a nice gift for someone. Someone that you know is allergic to nail products and stuff. They might make a little gift. But yeah, anyway guys, I'm going. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care. Bye.